Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are currently working on the functions section, and this video is the fourth episode of my calculus problem solution series. In this series, I'm solving problems by following the exact order and structure of Thomas Calculus 14th edition. I have already completed most of this work on my Turkish channel, and now I'm continuing this journey here as well, aiming to solve problems similar to all exercises in the book. Alright, let's get started. Today we begin with the piecewise defined functions. A piecewise defined function is a function that is defined by different formulas on different parts of its domain. Each piece applies only the interval on or condition specified. One example of piecewise defined function is absolute value function. Absolute value of x is defined as x when x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. This is a piecewise defined function. We have two examples in this lecture. First one is this. F of x is given us as f of x equals x squared plus 1 when x is less than or equal to 0, and 1 minus x when x is greater than 0. Addition of f of minus 5 and f of 5 is asked in this question. Firstly, I will find f of minus 5. F of minus 5. To find f of minus 5, look at here. Minus 5 is less than 0. So, to find f of minus 5, we will use this function here. And f of minus 5 equals minus 5 squared plus 1. And this is 25 plus 1 equals 26. Now let's find f of 5. 5 is greater than 0. So we use this function for that one. And f of x equals to 1 minus x. So f of 5 is 1 minus 5. And that's equal to minus 4. Now f of minus 5 plus f of 5 equals, this is 26 and this is minus 4, and 26 minus 4 equals to 22. The answer is 22 for this one. The second and the last question of this lecture. F of x is defined as minus x plus 3 when x is less than minus 3, and 1 when x is between minus 3 and plus 3. You see here f of x is a constant function between minus 3 and 3. And 2x minus 1 when x is greater than 3. To find f of 0 times f of minus 5 times f of 5. No, change the question. For example, f of minus 7, f of 4. Okay. First we will find f0. 0 is here. 0 is between minus 3 and plus 3. So to find f of 0, we will use the constant function here. And f of 0 is equal to 1. Now, for f of minus 7. Minus 7 is less than minus 3. So, we will use this function, minus x plus 3. F of minus 7 equals to minus 7 plus 3 equals 7 plus 3. And this is 10. And f of 4. F of 4. 4 is greater than 3. So we will use this function 2x minus 1 here. So 2x 2 times 4 minus 1 equals 8 minus 1, and this is equal to 7. Now we will find f of 0. We will find this part. F of 0, we will it was 1. F of minus 7, it is 10. F of 4, and it is 7. So let's write them one by one. 1 plus 10 times 7, this is equal to 1 plus 70, and 71 is the answer. Okay, this was the last problem. I will continue to make videos about calculus problem solving. See you later.